Hey guys, what's up? As you can see, I'm back. I did get my cut healed, so I am able to flip again. So, just letting you guys know that. Here's the cut. If you guys can't see it, it's all healed. And today's tutorial will be on the move that actually did cut me. And as you can see, I did tape my blade, just to keep me safe, you know. That's the whole point, is to keep people safe. And that's what I did here. So the tutorial on the move will be this one right here. So hope you like it, and here's the move. Okay guys, so that was the tutorial for that, wait, keep messing up. That was the move. As you can see, it was the y3k that cut me. So hopefully you guys like this tutorial. As you can see back, I am back to flipping. I haven't been able to flip for a while now, but still need to get used to it. I've learned some new tricks just by watching slow-mos, but yeah. So here's the move. You want to be holding the bite handle like so, and your handle is facing this way, the split part, where the latch is facing up. Closed position, tip is facing down, the pivots, and you're holding the bite handle basically like this. When we get down there, thumb on the side, and just place your two fingers there. What you want to do is you want to initiate the first rollover. So just swing it out. What you want to do is you want to catch it like this. So it comes around, and you open your hand and do it like this, and it should come up like that. You want to catch it like that. But what you want to do is you want to do it fluently, and it comes down. You want to keep the momentum. Close your finger and just keep it straight, and it should keep on going. Okay, and as that goes around, grab the safe handle and swing it back up. So when you get done with that rollover, you should end up like this again. Put your thumb like this, pinch it, and swing it back up. So bite handle, it'll come around, swings, keeps on going, pinch, and then come back up. So that was the move. I want to show you, at the end of the video, I'll show you some pics of the knife I am saving up for as we speak. You can probably guess, since I just bought a Benchmade Model 47 and a Rising Sun double-edged Balisong. I might do a video on those two. But as you can see, my strong point is not aerials, it's basically twirling. So yeah, hope you guys liked the tutorial, and